In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start MetaTrader 5. If you're brand new to this platform, don't worry. I'll walk you from download to your very first login, and we'll finish with a simple first trade so you feel confident getting started. MetaTrader 5, often called MT5, is a multi-asset trading platform. It lets you view charts, monitor live prices, place trades, analyze markets, and even use automated tools. Think of it as your trading command center, with everything you need in one place. Let's begin by getting the platform on your computer. Head to your broker's website or the official MetaTrader 5 site and download the installer for Windows or Mac OS. Run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. Accept the license, choose the installation folder, and complete the setup. Once it's finished, open the MT5 application. Many brokers also offer their own branded MT5 download inside your account area. Using that can automatically point you to the right server later. Now it's time to open or log into a trading account. If you don't already have one, on desktop, go to the File menu and select Open an Account. On mobile, tap Open an Account. Choose your broker or server, decide whether you want a demo or a live account, and fill in the requested details. A demo account is great for practice, since it uses virtual funds while you learn the platform. If you already have credentials from your broker, you can log in directly. On desktop, go to File and select Login to Trade Account. On mobile, go to Accounts and choose Add Existing Account. Enter your login, which is usually your account number, your password, and select the correct server from the list. When the connection succeeds, you'll see live quotes populate immediately. On your first visit, get familiar with the main workspace. Market Watch shows price quotes for available instruments. Charts display price movements over time. The navigator gives you access to your accounts, indicators, and expert advisors. The terminal at the bottom shows open trades, account history, and alerts. These panels work together to give you a full picture of the market and your positions. To set up a chart, add the symbols you want to follow to Market Watch. Then right-click a symbol and choose Chart Window. From there, switch timeframes, add technical indicators, and customize the layout so it's easy for you to read. When you're ready to place a simple trade on desktop, right-click a symbol in Market Watch and select New Order. Choose your volume, optionally set a stop loss and take profit, and click Buy or Sell. A few quick tips before you go. Start with a demo to build confidence, explore indicators or expert advisors later as you progress, and if you run into connection issues, double-check your internet and make sure you selected the correct server.